Okay, this is the finished Diehl fan. Basically, I left the paint on the base and the motor itself. It was still really nice looking. There's only a few little chips out of it. Polished up the brass. It's really hard to see that. And to paint the cage, I had to weld 9 of the struts back into place because they were broken and bent, and the fan blades were bent beyond belief. Nothing worked. The wiring was shot inside. Polished up the front little Diehl brass emblem. I painted the blades, and I did something different than what you originally had. I liked the brass, so you can see that I left the brass little bolts that hold the fan blades in place, and I left the actual base of the fan blades, the shaft, the rotor, is brass, so I left it brass and just painted the blades. So you can see it from the back too. Looks pretty cool when it turns. Yeah, so let's turn it on. It's pretty loud. I couldn't quite get it all to be perfectly balanced. They're very meticulous. But it runs great. It's very powerful fans for its age. That's high speed. It has a little rattle, but that's the fan blades are not quite balanced. 6 days of barely moving them around and trying to get it balanced just right after they were completely crushed. It's pretty good. You can hear that engine kick over as the speeds turn. Not slow. So, I'm pretty happy with it. Works good. It's super powerful. So anyway, please comment.